Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm late, so today we are doing this easy colorful eyeliner look. So let's get started. So मैंने अपना बेस मेकअप ऑलरेडी कर लिया है, so हम डायरेक्टली आईज पे मूव करते हैं. एंड सो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दो स्टिकीज आई एम जस्ट ड्राइंग अ थिक विंग आईलाइनर. और ये विंग आईलाइनर आई एम यूजिंग दिस Maybelline जेल लाइनर eyeliner to just create a thick eyeliner, and I'm applying it on my 1/3 of my eye, and I'm not very like doing it precisely because anyways ये sticky से तो नीचे की line sharp आई जाएगी. All you have to do is ऊपर का line sharp आना चाहिए, and anyways we are going to make it work. So yeah, और आपके eyeliner हमेशा sisters जैसा दिखना चाहिए, not just cut copy paste. So and now I'm just cleaning with a Q-tip to make it work. Now I'm just removing these stickies, and as you can see I have a very sharp line underneath. And now the next step, I'm using this K Beauty metallic eyeshadow stick in the shade Amethyst, and I am just extending my eyeliner, like inner part पे मैं उसे literally draw कर रही हूँ just to make it look like I have a full on eyeliner going on. But you can do with any color of your choice. I am doing it because मैंने इसी कलर का ड्रेस पहन रखा है, but you can do it with any color. And now I'm just blending that black part to that purple part because I want everything to look very like blended, because anyways अगर कोई harsh या sharp line दिखेगी तो it's not going to look good ना. So that's why I'm just blending it, so there won't be any harsh line because we want everything to look like very blended and seamless. So yeah, you can see here. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and I am just applying the same eyeshadow color on my like that purple part. This is literally an optional step. अगर आपको पास ऐसा कोई eyeshadow है जो आपके जो भी बेस स्टिक पे आपने कलर लगाया उससे मैच होता है, then use it. अगर नहीं है then skip it because anyways it's going to look good. And yeah, now I'm just last minute touch up because blend करते करते थोड़ा सा wing eyeliner निकल गया है, so I'm just filling that in. So eye makeup अभी complete नहीं हुआ है, so for the complete look video end तक देखना. And now I'm taking the same black shade from the same palette and same black shade and I'm just packing that in because anyways I wanted it to look more dense or matte. And for the face I'm using this Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm using these two shades. And this blush palette is so good that it's not going to overpower your makeup, but still the pigment will be like there, like very luxury kind of a pigment. You know what I mean, right? So now I'm taking the same highlighter from the same palette and now applying it on usual areas, my cheekbones, my bridge of my nose and point of my nose. And now I'm taking some bronzer and I am applying it on lower lash line, and just to make my eye look more balanced, because anyways your lower eye makeup should be more complementing to the upper eye makeup. And I'm also applying it on my crease line because anyways जब मैंने eyes को prep करने पे concealer लगाया था तब मेरी आंखें काफ़ी ही flat लग रही थी, so that's why I'm using it because it will also make your eyeliner like little bit pop. So yeah, now I'm taking the shimmer shade and I'm applying it on my brow bone, and I'm using a very little amount because anyways मुझे कोई disco light effect नहीं चाहिए अपने ऊपर. And now for setting my face I am using this sugar banana powder, and this is really good powder. You can really opt for this one, but this is not the great one out there. So yeah, this is बहुत काम चलाऊ वाला powder है ये. So yeah, now for the lips I am using this Color Bar matte liquid lipstick in the shade Kissiness. This is literally the nude lipstick, like nude brown lipstick, and it's not like pink mix आ जाता है कभी कभी या pink shade पे होता है. It's literally the brown one and it is very beautiful. Now I'm just outlining my lips with some Swiss Beauty lip liner, and yeah, now some bindi because it's Diwali. Of course you need some glamour. And now I'm completing my eye look with some mascara, but even after mascara I felt like something is missing, so I am tightlining my upper waterline with some kajal. And yeah, this is the look complete. I hope you like it. This is the easiest technique to amplify your eyeliner game. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Happy Diwali and bye.